Hi, I'm Laura.
And I'm Matt.
And we're
Grecobon.
We decided to take on this whole Vlogmas thing. I've been seeing it on a few accounts, and to kind of best summarize our first year of actually trying to be on this platform. So, is it a challenge? Probably not in the sense of being difficult if you're used to filming, uploading, and editing all in one day. But for us, it was more getting out of our comfort zone and being more consistent with our videos, maybe learning a few more techniques on recording. I've mostly been doing POV-style videos with voiceovers, so I thought this would be a way to get used to talking directly to the camera, and that will hopefully help us for our videos for next year.
We still aren't totally comfortable with filming in public, so maybe this will help us work on that as well.
Most days will be what was going on the day before or the days prior. Thursdays will be what I attempt to be our regularly scheduled videos of our travels and outings. So we do have a few lined up. And we decided Fridays and Sundays will show some videos from what I call our archives. I've been recording our travels for years. We just haven't done anything with it. So now that we've been making a valiant effort on here, I thought, let's upload them. So they've just been sitting in a folder for a few years, and this will give me that kick in the butt to do something with these files I haven't looked at for a while.
Here's a little schedule of what we're thinking, always subject to change, of course. Mondays, after today, our advent calendar treats for the past 7 days. Tuesday, various holiday-related activities. Wednesday, something random. Thursday, already scheduled travel/event videos. Friday, from the archives. Saturday, more random content. And Sunday, more from the archives.
We mentioned that on Mondays, we'll be showing our advent calendar treats we get each day. So I thought I'd show you which ones we have this year. So each morning I'll start my day with my coffee calendar. And I've had one before from Aldi. So this year Matt found one for me from Target. So this will be, there's 24 different coffees. So I'll be drinking them the 1st through the 24th. And they have flavors like caramel macchiato, donut shot blend, peppermint stick, espresso blend. So there's 12 different ones, so they're probably going to be each used twice. So I'm excited for each morning to get a different flavor of coffee from my usual.
I, like a good Italian, have cheese. So this is a 12-day cheese advent calendar from Aldi. The reason that I bought this one is because every day previously, in the past 7 years or so, Aldi has had this 24-day cheese advent calendar. However, for the first week or so, I think, this was not available in Southern California, so I had a friend in Pennsylvania purchase one for me, then ended up finding this in Southern California a few days later. So Tanya, when you watch this video, thank you, I appreciate it. I'm glad that you have an advent calendar for yourself to enjoy, or if you returned it or gifted it. Whatever you did with it, I appreciate the effort, thank you very much. So I have 2 cheese advent calendars. I haven't decided yet how I'm going to split this one up, because this is only 12 days, obviously, so some days we'll have 2 cheeses, some days we'll only have 1. We'll see how it goes.
In addition to the cheese and coffee every day, we're going to have a variety of alcoholic beverages. And the reason we started doing this was because a couple years ago, we got the beer advent calendar from Costco. And that one is mostly German-style beers, which I was totally fine with. Matt, however, was not. So we decided to start to make our own. We're going to have a new one each day. We're not going to know which one we're picking. We're actually about to put them in their containers. So we do have a blog post. We do have a blog post explaining how we put these together. But we're going to show you the containers for those.
So these are mailing tubes for like posters, I guess, rolled up posters. We got these on Amazon. They are 3" by 3" by 15" I believe. And then Laura printed these fun labels on the end.
Made on Canva.
And we mixed them all up, and each year they'll change. So we'll show you what this year's look like, and it'll be different from the blog post, which was last year's, the year before, or the year before that. Well, maybe it will. Maybe we'll get the 1 in 10 billion chance, and I'll all be in exactly the same spot. So yeah. Since it's our first time doing this, we're not really sure what action we want to take. and how we're going to want to showcase these items, so we're going to try a bunch of ideas. We hope you'll join us for our first Vlogmas.
To get us used to direct... Blah, blah, blah.
Wait, what?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it, commenting, and maybe even subscribing. This will help us learn which videos you like best. Also, be sure to like us everywhere at Grecobon.